Welcome back to AZ Languages. I'm really glad you chose to spend this moment practicing English with me today. Maybe the day has been busy for you. Maybe your mind feels a little full right now. Or maybe this is simply your quiet time before sleep, before work, or before starting something important. Some people listen while sitting near a window with a cup of tea. Some listen during a walk through the city. Others practice while studying late at night with headphones on and the world feeling a little quieter. Wherever you are, thank you for being here again. This is your space to slow down, breathe gently, and practice English in a calm and natural way. Before we begin, allow your body to relax a little. Let your shoulders soften. Relax your face. Take a slow breath in through your nose and slowly breathe out. Good. You do not need to sound perfect today. You do not need to worry about mistakes. Fluency is not built from pressure. It grows from repetition, patience, and small moments of practice like this one. Every sentence you repeat helps your brain become more familiar with natural English. Little by little, your listening improves. Your pronunciation becomes clearer, and your confidence starts to feel more natural. Today's practice is about communication and everyday conversations with other people. Sometimes we want to express ourselves more clearly. Sometimes we want to sound more confident in social situations. And sometimes we simply want conversations to feel easier and more natural. So today, we'll practice realistic English that people use in daily life with friends, coworkers, classmates, and new people they meet. As always, listen carefully first. Pay attention to the rhythm and the emotion inside the sentence. Then repeat naturally with your own voice. You don't need to rush. Clear and calm English sounds more natural than fast English. All right, let's begin together. Listen carefully. One more time. I've had a really long day. Now repeat. I've had a really long day. One more time. I've had a really long day. Listen. I didn't sleep very well last night. Now you. I didn't sleep very well last night. Again. I didn't sleep very well last night. Listen carefully. I've been busy since this morning. Now repeat. I've been busy since this morning. Again. I've been busy since this morning. Listen. I just need a little quiet time. Now repeat. I just need a little quiet time. One more time. I just need a little quiet time. Wonderful work. Take a slow breath. Let's continue. Listen carefully. There's too much going on in my head. Now repeat. There's too much going on in my head. Again. There's too much going on in my head. Listen. I'm trying not to overthink everything. Now repeat. I'm trying not to overthink everything. Again. I'm trying not to overthink everything. Listen carefully. I need to focus on one thing at a time. Now repeat. I need to focus on one thing at a time. One more time. I need to focus on one thing at a time. Listen. I think I need a short break. Now repeat. I think I need a short break. Again. I think I need a short break. Excellent. Your pronunciation is becoming smoother. Relax and keep going. Listen carefully. I've been staring at my screen all day. Now repeat. I've been staring at my screen all day. Again. I've been staring at my screen all day. Listen. My brain feels tired today. Now repeat. My brain feels tired today. One more time. My brain feels tired today. Listen carefully. I forgot what I wanted to say. Now repeat. I forgot what I wanted to say. Again. I forgot what I wanted to say. Listen. Can we talk about this later? Now repeat. Can we talk about this later? Again. Can we talk about this later? Very nice. You're sounding more natural already. Let's continue together. Listen carefully. I need a few minutes to relax. Now repeat. I need a few minutes to relax. Again. I need a few minutes to relax. Listen. I've been under a lot of pressure lately. Now repeat. I've been under a lot of pressure lately. One more time. I've been under a lot of pressure lately. Listen carefully. I'm doing my best right now. Now repeat. I'm doing my best right now. Again. I'm doing my best right now. Listen. Today felt longer than usual. Now repeat. Today felt longer than usual. Again. Today felt longer than usual. Wonderful job. Little by little, your speaking rhythm is improving naturally. Listen carefully. I just want to stay home tonight. Now repeat. I just want to stay home tonight. Again. I just want to stay home tonight. Listen. I need to clear my mind. Now repeat. I need to clear my mind. One more time. I need to clear my mind. Listen carefully. Everything feels so noisy today. Now repeat. Everything feels so noisy today. Again. Everything feels so noisy today. Listen. I'm trying to stay calm. Now repeat. I'm trying to stay calm. Again. I'm trying to stay calm. Excellent pronunciation. You're doing very well. Now let's practice a few more natural sentences. Listen carefully. I'll finish it tomorrow morning. Now repeat. I'll finish it tomorrow morning. Again. I'll finish it tomorrow morning. Listen. I don't want to rush anymore. Now repeat. I don't want to rush anymore. Again. I don't want to rush anymore. Listen carefully. I need a little more balance in my life. Now repeat. I need a little more balance in my life. One more time. I need a little more balance in my life. Listen. I feel better after talking about it. Now repeat. I feel better after talking about it. Again. I feel better after talking about it. Listen carefully. Sometimes I just need some quiet. Now repeat. Sometimes I just need some quiet. Again. Sometimes I just need some quiet. Listen. Tomorrow is a new day. Now repeat. Tomorrow is a new day. Beautiful work today. You practiced real English that people use in everyday life. And more importantly, you practiced speaking calmly and naturally. That matters. Every time you repeat sentences out loud, your confidence grows a little more. Your listening becomes sharper. Your pronunciation becomes clearer. Even if your progress feels slow sometimes, you are still moving forward. Keep listening. Keep shadowing. Keep using your voice. You don't need perfection. You only need practice. Thank you for spending this quiet English moment with me here in AZ Languages. Take care of yourself today. Drink some water. Rest your mind when you can. And when you're ready, I'll see you again in the next episode.